This topic is nuclear reaction, true value, and its key cases. So let's start. A nuclear reaction is a reaction in which an external component particle successfully changes the identity of the target nucleus is known as nuclear reaction. True value. The amount of energy observed or released during the nuclear reaction is called as true value of nuclear reaction. True value is equal to Np minus N0 NY31 MV, where Np is sum of masses of products and Ni is sum of masses of products. Case 1, if greater than 1, greater than 0, then the Q value will be the reaction is said to be now energy is released in this reaction. And the total mass of product is greater than the mass of now case 2. If Q1 is less than 0, then first is the Q value will be negative. The Q value is said to be homogeneous. The reaction is said to be endothermic. This reaction, the energy is released.
Go.
Second case, the total mass of reaction is greater than the mass of product.
हाँ.
In case 3, the Q value will be stable.
कर हाँ.
In third case, energy is not released, or gained in this reaction. Third, the total value